Unit 2 practice, part 1, number 11. It asks for an equation of a tangent line. So to find an equation of a tangent line, we need a point and we need a slope. So to get the point, we're going to plug in 3. I probably should have put, this is a calculator problem. There's no way you'd be able to evaluate this without a calculator. But plugging 3 in, 6 minus 1, that's 5 to the 5th, times plug in 3 for x here, gives me 4. So we've got 5 to the 5th times 4. So the point is 3 for my x and 12,500 for my y. And then we need the slope. To get the slope's the derivative. So we need to find the derivative of this function at x equals 3. So we're multiplying two things here, this times that. So we're using the product rule. So product rule says the derivative of one of them times the other one. So to get the derivative of this, I'm going to move the 5 out front, subtract 1 from the exponent, and then chain rule says times the derivative of the inside. So that's the first part of the product rule, the derivative of this first piece. 5 out front, subtract 1 from the exponent, times the derivative of the inside. So that was the derivative of this times that, so times x plus 1, plus this times the derivative of that. So 2x minus 1 to the 5th. And the derivative of this guy is just 1. So there's my derivative. 5 times 2 I could write as 10. And we need the derivative at x equals 3. So now we're going to plug 3 in for our x. Putting 3 in for x would give me 10 times 5 to the 4th times 4 plus 5 to the 5th. And that is the derivative evaluated at our x value. So the slope is 28,125. That's pretty steep. So this is my point, this is my slope. So to write an equation of a line, it's y minus the y value of the point equals slope times x minus the x value of the point. Distribute. And add that over. And there's the equation of our line.